How to create sub-collections in Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. So this is very simple and is going to basically just have sub-collections for the main one. I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about, and you need to go to products anyway, so click on products and click on collections. So I did actually create them. You simply just want to click on add collection, and this is basically how you create them. Okay, so you're just going to create a main one, which is going to be the general one. I just did jewelry. So this is going to be the general one for jewelry. It's going to contain all the jewelry products. Okay. But we also want it so that when people open it up, they will also see sub collections in it so they can browse in a more specific way. For example, I created two different ones here. The silver jewelry, which contains only silver products, and the gold jewelry, which is going to contain the gold products. Not this one, it's the other one. So just make sure you create the main one and however many sub collections that you need, adding the appropriate products in them, and also give each collection an image. So once you do this, you simply just want to go to online store and click on edit theme. Now from here, all you need to do is just click on the top, click on collections, and click on create template and give it a name. So I'm just going to do, I just went with general jewelry, and it's going to be based on default collection. Make sure this is right and click on create template. Why we did this is because we just want to make the changes only apply to a specific collection, not to all of them basically. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and first hide the filtering and sorting because I don't really need that. Second of all, I'm just going to go ahead and add a new section in the template option here. So let me just go and minimize all of this mess. There you go, and click on add section, and we want to add the collection list. I'm just going to go for the grid one because it looks best. And we simply just want to click on it. So collection list grid. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that and select the collections that we want, which are going to be the sub ones. So silver and gold. And I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as it is, as you can see. And I'm also going to move it upwards. So it's going to be right over here. Next up, I'm also going to hide this second header because we don't really need to have two different headers here, like so. And we're just going to go ahead and obviously this is not for the text. We can just change the preview to be like this. So this is exactly what's going to look like. So they will open up the main one and they will see the two different sub ones. And if they click on this one specifically, they're going to go to only silver products. And if they click on this one, they're only going to go for golden products. But if they scroll down, they're just going to find all of them in there. So anyways, just go and click on save for this template. And now the last step is going to be applying this template to the appropriate collection. So just exit out of here, go to products, collections, select the main one, and scroll down until you find theme template and apply the new template that you just created and click on save. And we're pretty much good to go. You can just feel free to view it and see exactly how it's going to look like. Now you may click on view and it's going to look exactly how it was before, but that's because it takes a little bit of time, so you can just refresh and it should work. For me, it worked right away, as you can see. So if someone just clicks on the silver jewelry collection, they will be taken here and they will only find silver jewelry instead. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.